Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo using Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, we can open up our camera application. And then if we want to take live photo or motion photo, we have to activate the live photo feature. This is the icon for the live photo feature or motion photo feature. And if you don't have this icon on your camera, it means that you don't have the live photo feature. If you have this icon, you just need to click on it, and now the live photo or motion photo has been turned on. And I'm going to show you how we can take the live photo. We just need to use this button. Before you click on this button, you have to move your camera like this and then click on this button. Okay, and I'm just going to track it in my gallery, guys. So this is the result. We can click on view motion photo to see the result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can take live photo or motion photo using the Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.